Hey everybody, welcome to another problem session. So this problem is again comes to us from Indian 2024 JEE Advanced Physics Paper 2. Okay, let's read this problem carefully. This kind of thing is always very confusing. So there are two prisms and they're equilateral triangles. So this is all 60 degrees. 60 degrees, even this one is 60 degrees, and let's call apex angle A 60 degrees. Okay, and they're parallel, and we can, of course, because parallel, you can put an air between them just for drawing purposes. So let's see if I could draw anyway, let's just draw it here out. So this is going to be this is the original direction, then it's going to go a little bit inward. Okay, so this is the angle of refraction, and now the normal is going to be now the normal here is going to be that, and it's going to come out maybe instead of going straight like that, it's going to come out a little bit larger angle, right? It's going to come out a little bit larger angle, and so that's the angle of emitting. But the normal here is going to be, this normal is the same as that normal. Over here it says light ray when passes prism 2 undergoes minimum deviation prism 2. So minimum deviation, is going to be symmetric from this side and from this side. So it will come out parallel. So over here it's going to come out parallel to this side, and then you can draw a 90 degrees to it, and it's going to come out it was going to come out, that's the straight direction, but this is this should come out a larger angle. So that's how it's going to come out. So we're supposed to find and this is a minimum deviation, so you can use that in your analysis. Okay, so that will say that whatever this angle is going to be same as that angle. All right, so we don't really need to work over here, because this will be 9, say this called R. Let me use this ink, R, and this called R. Then this is called 90 minus R, and this will be 90 minus R, and this is apex A. So in this triangle, 90 minus R, 90 plus 90 minus R plus A is 180 degrees, and this tells you 2R equals A, and which is 60 degrees. So R is 30 degrees. So already this angle is known. So I just find theta, we just have to trace from here. Don't go get lost over here what this angle is and how much is deviation, things like that. No need to worry about that. So this is R. So this angle was going to be the same as that angle. Let's call angle E, exiting from this first same E. So what is E is going to be 1 sine E is going to be into sine R, and into is square root of 3 sine 30 degrees, which is square root of 3, and this half is square root of 3 over 2. So E is going to be 60 degrees. E is going to be 60 degrees. So from E, let's call this angle, I'm going to call that psi and call that phi. So same kind of logic as this, we'll connect phi to psi. But right now, let's get the psi. So N1 sine psi is 1 sine E, which is square root of 3 over 2, which is over here. N1 is square root of 3 over square root of 2. The square root of 3 cancels this square root of 3. This cancels this, gives you square root of 2. So sine psi is 1 over square root of 2. So psi is 45 degrees. But we want theta. So we have to relate this to that. Again, this will be 90 minus psi, 90 minus psi, and this angle over here will be 90 minus this angle phi. So 90 degrees minus phi plus 90 degrees minus psi plus this angle A in this triangle will be 180 degrees. So phi plus psi equals A. So phi equals 60 degrees minus 45 degrees is 15 degrees. And these guys are doing in pi. So I'm going to do pi over 6 is 30 and half of that. So pi over 12. So it looks like I was going to beat a little bit 12. But we should carry it out. So over here, sine theta, 1 times sine theta is going to be square root of 3 over 2, that's N1 for that, times sine phi, and phi is pi over square root of 2. So this is square root of 3 over 2 sine pi over 12, and of course theta is going to be arc sine of that, this thing, and reading from there beta is 12. So beta is going to be 12. It's really not that hard problem. You just have to know that the minimum deviation, what happens in the minimum deviation, that these two angles have to be the same from the symmetry. And once you do that, you can use a triangle here, and you can do similar thing with triangle here to transfer information from here to there. And in between, you just use the air gap just to separate out your calculation a little bit. Although you don't need air gap, but you can separate out like that. Okay, that's it. This is a pretty quick and easy problem. I'll see you in another video. Bye.